We came in bitch with a bicycle. We don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck them up.
Man, I got a new sales slogan. You buy, I fly.
Yeah. Get you crippled. Show me how you walk, motherfucker.
Dallas, I lived off of 635 in Spring Valley Road.
Oh, I know what that said. I used to be over there.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. You had a job over there?
Yeah.
Where you worked at? You had a good job over there. She had a good job. I knew if she was living over there, she had a good job, y'all. Did you go to college?
Hold up.
That mug came loose, I heard. Sugar versus Boogeyman coming up next time.
No blood, no blood. Ain't going on that shit. I'm on this shit. I know this shit. What about Willie dog? What about dog? Dog. Hey, shit, dog. Fucked up, I'm glad he didn't go all the way down and talk to that bullshit. Blow the whistle, man. What about that shit on your lip? Motherfuckers stupid. We came in bitch with a bicycle. We don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck them up.
This trash ass crap.
You didn't see that?
No, baby, what happened?
Somebody had my lookout racing card and a wrench. The dude pumped the car and started doing a burnout. My car there went through back from the burnt rubber and gave the woman a paper because she was bleeding everywhere. They had to call an ambulance. Blood everywhere. Right here. Right lane for the win, y'all. Something came out left lane car. What happened? Oh, okay, yeah, y'all live. Where y'all from? She's for real over here, y'all. She ain't playing no game. Represent it one more time. Yeah. Man, what a hot link said. Oh, they got some Sweet Baby Ray, didn't they? You don't know where it's at? Man, hell, yeah, do you know what a hot link said with the Sweet Baby Ray?
I haven't seen the other car, so I can't like go off a look.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright now. Alright. Hey! What the fuck? Man, it's too much. No, y'all. Okay.
No, this is the motherfucking nigga on alcohol have that type of problem.
Yeah.
I ain't on no. I drunk 2 fucking beers.
Oh, okay. That's 5%.
I ain't
5%.
with that motherfucking shit there, bro.
He ain't with that shit.
I'm a real nigga from the old motherfucking school.
Oh, from the old. Yeah.
Y'all ain't got shit to fuck with Texas.
So you got.
I'll try anybody out this weak motherfucker. Trash ass track.
Damn, nigga.
Bullshit. This trash ass track. I like the action, cause y'all be racing, but the track is full. Hey man, you see that?
Yeah.
They big racing, then they track ain't shit.
Yeah.
Don't do nothing but spin the tires and big racing, bullshit.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.